You want to know how to fix unlicensed Photoshop copies? Telling you that it's going to be unlicensed or going to be disabled soon? I gotcha. First, go to Windows or go to Start menu by hitting Windows key or this button or whatever it looks like. And then you go to Windows, Defender, Firewall, open. Now you want to go to Advanced Settings. You see this will pop up. You want to go to Inbound Rules right here. Hit New Rule. Get this little window. You hit Program. Next. Browse. Now you want to go over to your this PC. C. Program Files. Adobe Photoshop or Premiere Pro, whichever one you have. It could be any one. Find the Photoshop or your program's exe file. Double click. It will do this. Next, you want to hit block this connection. Next, and then you want to see check all of these. Next, name it whatever you want. You call it Photoshop IB Inbound, and then I'm gonna go back here and then go to Outbound Rules, and you want to create another one. Basically, just repeat the same step. There you go. Then I can go ahead and you see right here, you see this new rule. You can close out this, close this out. Now what that does is it blocks the connection from Photoshop so it can't connect to the internet. And as you see right here, I had that issue before. I uninstalled it and reinstalled it, but now you got it. So you can create a new document and everything with this. Create a document. If it wouldn't lag, it usually doesn't do this, and I don't know why it lags so much. There. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial. See ya.